Disputing collections on your Credit Karma credit report involves challenging the accuracy of information related to collections accounts. Here's a guide on how to dispute collections through Credit Karma. Review your credit report. Log into your Credit Karma account and navigate to the collections section of your credit report. Review each collections account carefully to identify any inaccuracies or errors. Gather documentation. Collect any supporting documentation that proves the information you're disputing is inaccurate. This could include proof of payment, verification of the debt, or correspondence with the collections agency. Initiate dispute. Click on the dispute button or link next to the collections account you wish to dispute. Follow the prompts to begin the dispute process. Provide details. Explain in detail why you believe the collections information is inaccurate and provide any relevant documentation to support your dispute. Be specific and thorough in your explanation. Submit your dispute. Submit your dispute through Credit Karma. They will review your dispute and investigate the information with the credit bureaus and collections agencies. Monitor progress. Check your Credit Karma account regularly for updates on the status of your dispute. Credit Karma will notify you of any changes or resolutions. Follow up. If necessary, follow up with Credit Karma or the collections agency to provide additional information or clarification on your dispute.